Today we're going to be installing the rewind upgrade to the ZT620. When you get your kit from Zebra, it does come with a nice pack of instructions along with all the parts necessary to perform the upgrade. So to start off, you're going to want to take the back screws off the cover on the inside, as well as the plate back here. That is where we'll install our rewind kit. Close the lid and take the back cover off so we can get access. Cover back up. Taking off your plate on the printer if it's not already removed. There's just 2 brass screws. Next we're going to take the rewind assembly and it's going to slide into grooves right here into the 2 mounting holes. And then you can line up each of the screws to mount the plate to the printer. Alright, so depending on which DPI printer you've got, you want to make sure you're using the correct pulleys. This is a 203 DPI printer, so we want to make sure to pull in the 203 DPI pulley here where it shows it on the bottom. And that's going to go on this bottom roller down here, all the way in. And you can tighten that up. With the correct screwdriver. Next we're going to install the rewind tensioner assembly. Next we're going to remove the main drive belt. We're going to mount the pulley on the plate we just installed. And take our rewind belt that was included in the kit and feed it on the roller. This on the back side of this wheel there, gear there. Slide all of this on. Now the rewind is ready. We're going to reinstall our main drive belt on the front end of this gear, over the back there, fold under there. Alright, next we're going to install this jumper onto the main logic board in order for the printer to know it can go into rewind mode. Very important, it just snaps in there. We're going to pop out these rubber pieces here for our sensors. And down here. Top sensor's got short cables. Those feeds through there. It's kind of set so it matches the pattern. And using the screws that are included, screw it in on the back side. The longer wire, bottom sensor. Just fits into the grooves here. And down here, both sides. Just kind of snaps into place. Once it's complete, you can turn your printer on, and during the boot up process, you'll be able to see the rewind spindle move. And it works. Good luck.